Hi guys, we are starting out an advanced video series that shall show some advanced features and usage of uSchema plugin. We shall try to make this video series equally beneficial for regular and power users as well. Most of the videos in the series shall be demonstrating the potential of SEO boost that you may get by using this plugin with all its powerful features. So let's dive deep into the world of schema. We shall be using the example of books to demonstrate the power of this plugin. So let's go to our schema items. Right now nothing is there and everything is blank, and anything that was added before is already trashed. So let's just add new. So our book schema, and it shall be a book, and let's also assign a category for that, and it shall be post schemas. You can name it anything, but I just want to categorize it that this schema shall be added to the posts. So let's just publish this schema. Plain and simple. Let's go to our settings page. Everything is turned off. Let's go to our post type, into our posts, and let's activate our book schema for the posts, right? So let's just save it, and now let's go to our posts. We shall be using post to create our books. Everything shall start to make sense. There shall be times when the things will not make sense during this series, but please bear with me along the video and things shall start to make sense. So let's just add new, and this is our test book. Oh, let's just publish, and let's add our book schema to this as well. If we publish this and if we view this post now and test the schema, there is nothing special there, only breadcrumb list is added. So let's just remove that as well. Save, and let's reload, and nothing is there. Now we shall start our journey of adding schema to our book post. So first thing first, let's get to our edit page, and first thing first is that we need to provide its name. So for our name, we can hard code it, but since our target is to use this schema on multiple posts, so instead of hard linking or hard coding anything, we are going to use this option of linking it to post title. So whatever post title is, it shall be the name of this book. So it's just a name. Okay. Another thing, let's add its URL as well. Again, we are going to use its linking to its post URL. So it's just a URL. Update. We have just added these two things now. Now let's get back to our schema. Let me just move it over here. Let's reload. Now a schema of book has been added, and if we click on it, its name is our test book and its URL is whatever the URL of our post. So these two things are automatically detected by the plugin and added to the schema as well. The benefit of this approach is that if we go to our post and create a new post, let me just create another one. So my favorite book, and let's add the schema of the book as well. This is the only thing that we are doing for this page. Let's just publish. Let's just view it as well. And if we test the schema of this second book, you shall notice that a book schema is already added, and its value is my favorite book, which is the name of this post, and its URL is whatever the URL permalink of this second post. So this is how we can use a schema on multiple posts. So let's try to add more properties. For instance, we need to add its ISBN. Now ISBN is something that is unique to a book. We are going to use another property of that link existing. So we are going to use this create field, and if we create a field, it plugin asks us whether what type of field we want to add. So a text field or a text area, URL, number, images, dates, more of field types shall be added in the future as well. So for now, let's just use this text and this ISBN, and let's just close it, update it. Since we have just created a field but we have not filled anything, if we test the schema for our original book, the first book, there shall be no change. But if we go to our edit page and reload it, our test book, so notice a new field of ISBN is added on this meta box. So let's try to fill it. I'm just going to use any number. Let's just update. Once it is updated, we can go to our structure data testing again, and let's try to reload. And now if we click on book, there is an ISBN added. But if we go to our second post, I want to show you a side by side, like what is the difference between the two. So if we go to our second post, and if we check its schema, there is no ISBN. But if we go to our favorite book edit screen, and let's reload this, and there is an ISBN field for this post as well. And if we just fill it with some dummy numbers, update, and if we test this again, now we shall have a separate ISBN for our second book. In the next video, we shall elaborate our book schema further. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next video.